ईपीएस 95 पेंशन धारकों का मुद्दा और ईपीएस 95 पेंशन वृद्धि की डिमांड फिर से एक बार संसद में यहां पर गूंजी है। महाराष्ट्र बारामती की सांसद सुप्रिया सुले जी ने ईपीएस 95 पेंशन धारकों का मुद्दा फिर से एक बार सदन के पटल पर रखा है। इससे पहले भी उन्होंने 5 से 6 बार ईपीएस 95 पेंशन धारकों के मुद्दे को सदन के पटल पर रखा। इस बार उन्होंने वित्त मंत्री के सामने ईपीएस 95 पेंशन धारकों का मुद्दा उठाया। आइए सुनते हैं यहाँ पर सुप्रिया सुले जी को।
It is also suggested that the Investor Education Protection Fund, the protection fund is like a pension fund. Now this government for years have been raising it, sir, that the EPS 95, it's a little bit away from the banking bill, but I'd like to highlight, I'm just drawing a comparison, that the EPS 95 pensioners have given money which is lying with the government. They don't get the money that was committed to them. Now, in a pension, for years, it's been a decade. I mean, I'd like to quote, unfortunately, he's no more with us, but Honorable Arun Jaitley ji, when he was the finance minister, had committed to the EPS 95 people to get the money that they deserve. It's their own pension money, but they never got it. So I don't want this scheme also to go in the same way because we've had a history. So I hope that this Investors Education and Protection Fund, since you're calling a pension and a protection fund is something very similar. So I hope there is no confusion in any of this, and the EPS 95, which is the pension money, they should also get it. One most important point is the cyber. As a matter of fact, just today, in today's newspaper it has come, sir, that just in Delhi alone, 452 crores cases worth of scams in banks have occurred just in the last 1 year. This is just, I'm talking only about Delhi, sir. 452 crores. So how are we going to ride over the technology? How are we going to ride over dark net? So how is this, what is government going to do, or are you working with the banks? Because if you are making sure that you don't want scamsters, you want investors to be protected, so all these old senior citizens whose money is lying in the bank, how are we going to help them and protect them? Because a lot of times they get little notes, they click on it and the money is gone. So what intervention is the government doing for technology? It's going to be very, very hard. I do understand, because not necessary that this dark net is anybody sitting in India. It could be anywhere in the world. So what intervention is the government doing to safeguard all the securities in the bank?
तो सुप्रिया सुले जी ने कल यहाँ पर जो है बैंकिंग अमेंडमेंट बिल के तहत ईपीएस 95 पेंशन धारकों का मुद्दा सदन के पटल पर रखा था। तो सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए महाराष्ट्र के सांसद सुप्रिया सुले जी की ओर से बार बार यहाँ पर जो है अच्छे कदम और उनकी तकलीफों को देखते हुए आवाज उठाई जा रही है, लेकिन अभी तक ईपीएस 95 पेंशन धारकों का मुद्दा यहाँ पर जो है हल नहीं हो पाया है। आपके इस वीडियो पर क्या विचार है, कमेंट करके जरूर बताइए। ये वीडियो जानकारी अपडेट आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर जरूर कीजिए। मिलते हैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।